Are you accidentally sounding rude in English without even knowing it? Today, we'll fix that. You'll learn what not to say and how to say things politely like native speakers do. These tips will help you sound more respectful, confident, and friendly. Let's get started. Instead of "Give me that," say "Could you give me that, please?" Why it's better. Give me sounds like a command. Always use please instead of what. Say sorry. Could you repeat that? Why it's better. What is horse. Sorry is softer and respectful. Instead of you're wrong. Say I see it differently. I don't think that's right. Why it's better. Avoid sounding judgmental. Offer your view instead. Instead of I want this. Say I'd like this, please. Why it's better. I'd like is more polite than I want. Instead of move. Say excuse me. Why it's better. Move is very rude. Excuse me is polite and common. Instead of is that all? With attitude. Say will that be all for you today? Why it's better. Adds politeness and professionalism, especially in service roles. Instead of wait. Say just a moment, please. Why it's better. Sounds much more courteous and professional. Instead of you're late. Say I was expecting you a bit earlier. Why it's better. Softer, non-confrontational way to mention lateness. Instead of don't do that. Say I'd prefer if you didn't do that. Why it's better. Less aggressive and more respectful. Instead of why are you so slow? Say take your time, no rush. Why it's better. Encouraging rather than criticizing. Instead of you don't understand. Say let me explain that another way. Why it's better. Avoids making others feel dumb. Instead of that's a bad idea. Say I'm not sure that would work. Why it's better. Politely disagreeing shows emotional intelligence. Instead of no. Say I'm afraid I can't. I wish I could, but. Why it's better. Polite refusals are key in English-speaking culture. Instead of shut up. Say can we talk later? Let's keep it down a bit. Why it's better. Shut up is always rude, avoid it completely. Instead of what do you want? Say how can I help you today? Why it's better. Adds warmth and professionalism, perfect in customer service. Sounding polite isn't just about grammar, it's about tone, attitude, and respect. Practice using these phrases and you'll not only speak better English but also connect with people more effectively. Tell me in the comments which phrase surprised you the most. Like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub, where your English gets smarter, smoother, and more natural.